Hey guys, it's Greg from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here with the AA ignition replacement set of 4 ignition coils that fits the Nissan Sentra as well as Nissan Altima from 2002 to 2006. Now let's take a look at these ignition coils. So as you can see on the ignition coil, there's one bolt hole here and one electrical connector here. The ignition coils are pretty straightforward to change. You'll remove the one bolt holding the factory coil on, disconnect the connector. The factory coil will pull out of the cylinder head, and then you'll be able to drop the new coil in, re-secure it with the bolt, and hook up the electrical connector. Now, the ignition coils also include a new boot on here, and you'll see that these are rubber. And what you want to make sure you do is put a little bit of dielectric grease on the end of the ignition coil here where it connects to the spark plug, and this will avoid any sort of corrosion or problems in the future. If you guys have any questions about the ignition coils or the installation, please feel free to reach out to us and we'll be glad to help.